Mastering phrasal verbs. Let's go out and learn English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of phrasal verbs, and our spotlight is on the phrase, go out. Phrasal verbs may seem daunting, but understanding them is a key to sounding more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. Phrasal verbs are a combination of a verb and a preposition or adverb. The meaning of a phrasal verb is often different from the original verb. For example, go out doesn't always mean to physically leave a place. This is what makes phrasal verbs intriguing, so let's delve into the varied meanings of go out. Our focus, go out, has multiple interpretations. 1. To leave home to go to a social event. Like, I'm going out with my friends tonight. 2. When a light or a fire goes out, it stops shining or burning. Such as, the candle went out. 3. To stop being fashionable or popular. For example, flared jeans have gone out of style. 4. To have a romantic relationship. Like, they've been going out for 2 years. See? Each interpretation drastically changes the meaning of the sentence. Now let's put go out into action. I don't feel like going out tonight. I'm exhausted from work. Oh no, the lights have gone out. We must check the fuse box. Bell-bottom jeans have gone out of fashion, but they're making a comeback. Sarah and John are going out. They make such a lovely couple. Using go out correctly can really help you express yourself more precisely in English. And that wraps up our lesson on the phrasal verb, go out. Remember, understanding and using phrasal verbs effectively can make a huge difference in your English fluency. Keep practicing these examples and soon, you'll be using go out like a pro. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a race. See you in the next video.